Welcome friends. Today we are going to see Java program which is longest substring. So let's get started. First I will explain basic concept of this, like how we can find that what is the longest substring program. So suppose here I am taking one string equal to notebook. I am taking here in this string, suppose non-repeating character until we reach, then that is our longest substring. So if we take N, O, T, E, B, O, so O is repeating here. So in this case, our longest substring will be N, O, T, E, B is our longest substring. Suppose we take another example. Here we will take text string equal to book. Now in this case, what will be our longest substring? So BO. So another alphabet O is recurring here. So BO is our longest substring. So I hope you understand this longest substring. So we'll get into the coding part. Let's get started with our coding example here. So for this, I am declaring one method, which is a length of the longest substring. Yes, substring. And we'll pass one string as parameter. So I am taking here as a parameter for the longest substring length method. Here I am defining a static method, so we can easily, we can access it using class name. So public static void length of the longest substring, and we will take as a string into parameter. Now for the longest substring, we will declare one variable, which is longest substring. Initially it will be null, and for the size of the string we will check. So for that I'm taking int as a parameter. So we are taking integer as a size as a int, size of longest substring. The default value of int will be 0. And now what we will use map here to put character and index. For that we will be using map. So I'm defining here map character comma integer. Character for storing character and integer for the index position we are using here. Integer map equal to linked hash map we will use because the insertion order of the string will be frozen. Let me import this statement. What is the error here? Oh, sorry. We need to declare it as a new linked hash map. So we are creating an object of the linked hash map to here. So now what we will do here, we will take each and every character from the input and store that as a character array variable. So that each and every character to available for the iterating for each and every character. So character array equal to, from the input we are getting each and every character present inside string, input dot to char array methods. So we will use to char array method to get each and every character from the our input. Now we will do iterate using for loop. So for I equal to 0, I is less than array dot length. Array dot length. So length of the our array is here, the character present inside our string, and I plus plus. Now what we will do here, we will check each and every character present at array. So array of I index. So for that, and that will be stored as a character variable. So array of I will be taken as a character. Now what we will do here, the character inside this character inside it is present inside map, that condition we will check. So not map dot contains key. Key, what is key? Character. If it is not present inside map, that we will put into the map. So for that we will put method of map dot put character comma index position of the character. Else what we will do, we will clear that map. So longest substring length will be 10 here. Map dot clear method. Now what we will do here, if map dot size is greater than size of the longest substring, then what we will do, we will assign map dot size to the size of the longest substring variable. So that will be longest substring will be size of the longest substring will be stored inside this size of longest substring variable, which is map dot. We are taking size from the map, and here what we will do, longest substring equal to, we will get each key set from the map. So map dot get, map dot key set is method dot to string. So string of the map will be available inside longest substring variable. Now what we need to do, just need to print this variable. Longest size of longest substring string equal to, which is size of longest substring. And for another variable, so we will use println statement longest substring. Just let's run this program and see the output. We are getting expected output as we discuss. We see here the longest size of the longest substring is 2, and longest substring is BO, which is we discussed BO until the non-recurring recurring characters. I will explain this program again to you friends from the main logic. So what we will do, declare two variables, which is longest substring, size of the longest substring, and we will use map here. And then what we have done here, I input dot to char array method to store each and every character inside array variable. On that array variable, we iterate using for loop. Then each and every character we have check from array dot I. It is inside a for loop, so it will iterate until the array dot length. Then each character we have added into the map. If map dot contains key, then that not map dot contains key, that is we are adding inside map dot put using method map dot put ch and index position we are adding here. If that is not the case, suppose it contains, then what we will do, map dot clear that map. So our longest substring will be maintained inside longest substring variables. Yeah. Then we check here map dot size is greater than size of the longest substring length. If it is greater than, then it will reach to the for loop. Again, we iterate this loop and we'll check until the our string will reach to the its length. Then what we will be doing here, size of the longest substring equal to, we are getting size from the map. Then longest substring equal to map dot keyset dot toString. So longest substring we are getting from the map dot keyset, and we are printing that size of the longest substring and longest substring. That's the main logic. Hope you understand this, guys. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any concerns or clarification, do comment, share, subscribe. Thank you. And subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos.